Okay, Ryan, this is a video on how to take the Samurai apart. First thing you do is you take the body off. There's 4 of these clips. You're gonna have 4 of these clips. Turn the body upside down, put them in the bottom of the chassis. Then there's a plastic shield that has 4 clips also. Take those off, put them in there. First thing, take these crimpers. You crimp off the ties that are holding on the motor. Undo the motor, blue or black and red. Okay, those are off. You leave the battery because they're buying the battery. You're gonna pry this thing right here. The heat or the steering servo is taped on. Just pry it off. It'll come right off, just like that. Okay, then the next thing we're gonna do is take off the cap to the steering assembly. So you're going to use this hexagon screw, the silver one, and it looks silver. And there's 2 screws. You undo both of them because you're going to screw those back on when you're done, because all you're doing is taking this off right here. Okay, and you're going to undo the steering. Okay, you're going to leave, the only one you're going to leave on is this thing here, because we sell this separately, this whole unit right here. So the steering is right here, and there's 2 screws right here. You undo this one. And this one. Those are really the only 2 screws. And then this screw right here, which the servo arm is on. You undo that. And that pops right off, and you screw that screw right back on the servo arm. I'll show you in a second what the servo arm is. It's this right here, this piece right here. You can see that right there. And then this, we sell this separately. This is a servo, a 3-wire brand new servo. We can sell that for about 20 bucks. All right, then you take this and you put it back on top. And then you can put the 4 clips of this back on top, because I sell this, the motor, and the entire chassis as a kit. You know, I'm thinking, you know what, why not just sell these as kits, because they're a great value. I could sell the motors separately, but for the price you might as well just buy the entire sub-assembly or the chassis as a kit. So that's why I'm selling it as a kit. You get the motor, the battery. The battery is not, it's not going to last that long. Okay, so that's what you do. That's what we're selling, just this. Completely metal frame. That's why the Samurai is real popular. All right. And then you can take these screws and screw these in here. All right, so that's how to change out a Samurai.